So now let's work around with the feedback form section inside of Wix ADI. So in order to do that, I'm just going to click add section right over here. And then over here, you'll be able to see that there's feedback form section right over here. So let me just click on this over here. So once I click on it, you can see that the feedback form section appears. So let me just click on that right over here. And let us see what options do we have to modify the feedback section. So once I go into feedback right over here, I can click on this and then you have the editing option. So you can work around with the title, subtitle. You can add in a paragraph to give a bit of a detail, work around with the picture, and you can work around with the form. So you can go over here on to edit section and work with the form fields, and you can also show the form field titles as in any other form. So how can I improve is the section how can we improve is the section which is important for feedback. You can go around and edit that out as well and make the field compulsory just like that. And you have the send option and also add a new field. So you can see the preview over here, and let's see how the others will be able to see it. So they'll be able to fill up the detail right over here, improve, let's say for example, site colors or something like that. You can type it in and just press send right over here, and that will be submitted and you'll be able to access it on your Wix account. So that is how you can work around with the feedback form. And of course, there's different designs that you can choose from as well. So you can go for something like this right over here, and that's the feedback form. So that's how you work around with the feedback form section in Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.